was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and easy mine. I was asleep. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in yours. Still recall the times we went through, confused and